Hello traders, and this strategy especially for those who only have $1 on the account. So guys, let's go. Today we're trading on the Quotex exchange, and as you can see I only have 1.5 in my account, and the currency pairs I've already added, so they're pretty good situations and we can watch with you. Yes, look at this flag on this currency pair. Okay, let's move on to the choice indicators. All right, today I want to use the envelope indicators. So its default settings will in principle be enough, and as you can see these settings don't really fit this currency pair, but come on, and let's add a stochastic oscillator, of course, well, which does a great job for like showing us the committed and overbought levels. And guys, let's go back to the first currency pair. Alright guys, look, it's pretty good situation. We can see an upward movement here while stochastic is looking down, and that's why I want to open my first trade down. Let's go. And yes guys, my first profit, look, well, was really cool entry point of course, and I was held by the stochastic oscillator exactly. So look, do you see the intersection? The lines like begin to cross from the top to bottom, and that's why it was my signal to open the trade down. And also look, I think if we connect these maximal points, we can see that the price is at resistance level. So well guys, let's get on with this trading session. So change the investment to like $2 and let's go. Alright, let's take a look at what's going on here. Yeah, it's low payout percentage, but it's a pretty good situation. Shit. Alright, look, all this traffic, and yeah, look, here we have a trend continuation pattern as a flag. So as we can see, we have a small zone of pro trading. The price was trading from the support level to the resistance level, and this is about that level. So look, this level has been broken here. So let's come back to this currency pair a little later, and yeah, it's a pretty interesting situation. And guys, if you want to know a little bit more about patterns, different trading stations in the market, then go to my Telegram channel. You're always welcome. We deal with similar like stations in the market on a daily basis, so you can find the link in the description of this video. And if you want to trade on my signals, write me in private messages, I want to trade, and I'll add you to the list. So it's absolutely free. And well guys, we're going back to our trading session, and let's go to this currency pair. Alright, so what we're looking at here guys, look at that, pretty strong bearish move down, so downward trend, but look, you can see that the candles have a rather small body and long's wick. Alright, stochastic is the oversold level, and that's why I want to try to open the trade up here. Let's go. Yeah guys, another great entry point. Well, as you can see, my prediction came true, and this time candlestick analysis helps like really good. So but also look, we like connect the minimum points here. We can see that the price is moving in downward price channel, and now the price is at the spot level. So that's exactly why my trade was up here. Well, I have like 64 in my balance, of course, but I don't intend to stop. So let's move on and see what's going on the next currency pair. Alright, and here guys, look, we have an overall upward trend here, but look at what's happening on stochastics. Well, the price is now in a small zone of pro trading, and it's quite dangerous to trade in such situations. Well, let's come back a little later. Moreover, this currency pair has a pretty good payout percentage. Well, let's see here. Alright, look, It's a very interesting situation. Well, the candle has reached the support level. Earlier it was a resistance level, but then this level was broken and now it's support level. Well, I think that the price will continue its movement, so I open a trade for $4 up. Let's go. Wow, guys, yes, another profitable trade. Oh shit, I was really great entry point, great market station, great all, but yes, look, the figure actually looms up here as well as the flag, so we can now see that the price has reached a resistance level and this is support level here, and yes, the price will hang around for a while again in such a small corridor, but then this level will be broken and the price will continue its upward movement. So let's take a look at the situation in this currency pair. Alright, look at what we can notice here. Yes, the envelopes indicator settings are not quite right, but let's try to make a decision based on technical analysis, of course. On the stochastic oscillator, of course, also. And you'll see if we draw the line here again, we can see that the support level has formed here. So look, it's also a support level, and that's why I want to invest $8. Well, that's my entire deposit for now, but I'm very confident in this entry point. So trade up, here we go. Yeah, guys, another great entry point. Look, this strategy is actually great for beginners and for those who have a completely small deposit. Sure. And yes, I want to remind you that the minimum deposit amount on Quotex is only $10. Well, you agree it's not too much, but thanks to this amount you can start with $10, but you'll earn much more, really much more. So yeah, guys, look at what was great prediction in this strategy for beginners. But yes, basically to reiterate, the envelope indicator settings are not quite right for this currency pair, so it didn't stop us from making a profit. Yeah, now let's take a look at what's happening on this currency pair. Yeah, look, it's a pretty interesting situation. The general trend is downward. There's a small support level forming here, and we see candles here with small bodies, long loops, and that's why I want to invest $15 here and open a trade up. Another winning trade, shit, another profit. Whew, great. And yes, guys, look at this live strategy today in Quotex. I haven't had a single losing trade so far, all because I analyze charts very carefully and my level of technical analysis is simply top notch. So yeah, look at this. It started with only $1 and I already have 30, so in my balance. Yeah, you have to admit that's a pretty decent amount of money already. By the way, in my VP channel I also share analytical data, analysis posts and some use, which also helps in trading. And if you want to know more about it, private message me, I want to trade, and I'll add you to my VP channel. Well, it's absolutely free, as you know, and we continue this trading session. So let's move on to this currency pair, the Australian dollar and the US dollar. Alright, what do we see here? Yes, look, the general trend here is also a downward trend, and I want to open out now. The price is at the resistance level. If we connect the maximum points, we can see a resistance level here, and the price is moving in such a small downward price channel. So the stochastic is also at our board level, and I want to test these levels. So I want to open trade for just $3 down. Let's go. Oh shit, guys. Well, unfortunately, we received a refund here. Shit. Alright, as you can see, what went wrong? I didn't enter with my entire deposit. It was not wrong, but only with $3 because, well, frankly speaking, I was very confident about this trade entry point. So I suggest you do always the same. If you're a beginner and if you're unsure of your entry point, by no means go in for your entire deposit. Use no more than 10% of it, and you'll be on the plus side anyway. So despite the fact that even if you have a losing trade, so well guys, as you can see, the price has begun its reversal. Yeah, I was only a few seconds short. Shit. But either way, I didn't lose my money. So okay guys, let's continue this trading session and go back to the first currency pair and see what's going on here. Alright guys, I see good situation in this currency pair. See, we can notice the price is moving in an ascending price channel. Stochastic is in the oversold level, and that's why I want to open a trade up. Let's go. Shit. Okay, we got a refund again. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, let's try and not get upset, but actually I think that if we had open trade for say 2 minutes, would have been profit anyway. Okay, by the way guys, my advice to you is to use 1 minute time frame, and your expired time should be either the same as the time frame we're trading on or 3 times longer. So well guys, I still have $29 in my balance. Let's find a great entry point next time. Seeing this currency pair, we see that the price has started its correction after a long downward movement. Yeah, you know, I want to change the expired time to 30 seconds and invest in $25 and catch the downward movement. Alright, let's go. Yes! Huh, you see, back in profit. Alright, the payout percentage is quite small, only like 80%, but it was actually a pretty good situation. And I managed to catch this downward movement. By the way guys, look at the payout percentage offered by Quotex. That's a pretty high payout percentage. Basically, many currency pairs have payout percentages greater than 90, and it's pretty great. So let's continue on this currency pair and see what's going on here. Look, the price is back to spot level. Alright, I want to invest 48 here, open a trade up. Let's go. Yes. Yes, okay, I'm back in profit and back in the line. Alright, another great entry point. You may notice that the settings on the envelopes indicator are not quite suitable for this currency pair, but still I managed to get my profit. So look, if we zoom in, we can see that the price is a pretty strong support level. The price has already reached this level for the 3rd time, and look, the stochastics are starting to look up, and that's why my trade here was up. So that was a great entry point, and my balance sheet is growing right in front of your eyes, so step by step. And let me remind you, I started with just $1 and already have 74, so that's a pretty good result I think. But let's take a look at what's going on here. Yeah guys, we can see that the pro trade zone is still going on a little bit of time, and look, the candle is at the spot upper line of the envelopes channel, and the stochastics are starting to look down. Yeah, I want to catch this downward movement. 74 trade down, let's go. Yes, profit again, back on the line, and as you can see, my entry point was slightly different from the closing point of this strategy. So anyway, in any case, I'm in profit, and that's why I love binary options. So after all, here we got profit not per pips as in forex, by the way, but for correctly calculated time, and if your distance differs even slightly, you'll be in profit either way. So guys, this is the first $100 for this trading session on my balance. I'm really happy for this amount, but let's move on. I want to earn a little more. Oh guys, see pretty strong bullish movement here. Alright, look, stochastic is at now what level? I think the price needs to adjust. Alright, 140, trade down, let's go. Yes, back in profit. Alright, as you can see, I was able to anticipate this entry point, but well, it was actually pretty dangerous trade also, but very strong bullish movement. Many levels are broken, and I want to go to an older time frame. Well, let's say 5 minutes to analyze the situation here. I always recommend you to analyze the situation on an older time frame. On an older time frame, you may see different results. And well, look, here we see that the price is traded in flat, and if we connect these maximum points, we can see that the price is now at the resistance level. So that's why my trade was down here. So guys, I'm going back to the 1 minute time frame, and I want to go to this currency pair. And guys, I see good situation on this currency pair too. Yeah, look, the stochastics are looking down, but here the price has decided to test this level, and I want to open $265 trade here. Right, I think the price will continue its upward movement. Let's go. Yes, not profitable trade. Whew, look at that. $500 in my balance, and you got it. It's pretty good too, because we started with $1, and it's great to get more serious amounts of money. So look, I did a great job of anticipating the entry point, and look at the point is like the candle reached the lower line of the envelopes indicator, and that was our signal. So by the way, also a signal was to open the trade up, and great entry point, great result. All right, I want to open some more trades and make some more money. All right, I want to skip this currency pair and even delete it, because 76% payout is very low for me. All right, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, we can see that price is at the resistance level. Stochastics looking up, but I still want to invest $500 and open the trade up. Yes, great entry point, great decision. Well, it was actually a really good decision to open a trade up on this uptrend. And after all, guys, remember that the trend is like your best friend, and open trades in the direction in which the trend is going, and you'll be in the plus in any case. So almost $1,000 on my balance sheet. Pretty good result. And I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, of course. You can find the link in the description of this video. Join me, and we'll be always in profit. And we are going back to the situation on this currency pair. So what are some of the things we can notice here? All right, let me see. We see a little bit of retracement zone. Stochastic is at the spot level at 30, and I want to invest $950 here. The trade is up. Let's go. Yes, great, guys, back in profit. Oh, that's a really great entry point, but it was actually quite risky, and as the price turned around literally at the last second, I could have lost all my money. Oh, but how happy am I today? Unlucky, I want to say. All right, we were trading against the trend here, but look, if we zoom in, we can see a little bit of trading zone, and that's why my trade was up here, because I saw it, and the price has reached the lower spot level, and I think we will open another trade with you for today, and that will be enough. All right, let's move on to the first currency pair with 91 payout percentage. Pretty good. might be a good situation. And on this currency pair we see a rather strong bearish movement, but look, the price is now at the support level, so that's why I think my trade will be up. All right, invest 1,000 bucks. No, one and a half thousand bucks is too little. I want to make more, like, all right, 1,800 bucks. I decided it. I open a trade up. Let's go. Yes! Haha! Guys, just look at my balance, dude. You have to agree, it's just crazy. 3,442 bucks on my balance sheet. And I want to remind you, of course, I started trading with only $1 today, and just look at the result I was able to achieve. Alright guys, if I can do it, so you can do it too. So I think that will be enough for today. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I wish you all only profit, and bye bye.